Hi, I'm Dana Correa, and welcome to one of the premier residences here at the Ritz-Carlton in Bachelor Gulch.
This 3-bedroom penthouse with more than 2,200 square feet on one level is one of the best opportunities in the Rockies. Being offered fully furnished, the timeless mountain contemporary design features 2 stone fireplaces and luxurious bathrooms in every bedroom. And there's plenty of space to entertain everyone for après ski.
This residence has some of the best views and access to the mountains. Ski runs, fall colors, tons of amenities, you've got a front row seat.
And thanks to the easy ski-in, ski-out access, you can do more than just look at the mountain, you can be on it in minutes.
One of the biggest perks of owning here is it's the Ritz-Carlton, which means the world-class service and luxury amenities are built into your experience. Room service, valet, ski valet, and spa.
Now, add in 2 underground parking spaces along with guaranteed rental income, and this is a turnkey opportunity that doesn't come along very often. Also, getting here is a cinch. You're less than 30 minutes from the Vail Airport and only 2 hours from Denver. Give Dana a call for a private tour of this Ritz-Carlton penthouse.